guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make brownies. Using dark compound chocolate and milk together, stir well till the bubbles come out and then switch off the gas and let it be cool. I'll use half cup maida all-purpose flour. To make the coffee mixture, you can use milk or water. Here I have taken 1 cup sugar, that is 216 grams. Here there is half cup oil. You will get this on Amazon. I'll put it in my description box. The link I'll be giving it to you. I use this because it has a removable base. I'll be using this Bajaj beater and I have used this strainer to strain the flour. You should always keep the eggs in a room temperature before using it. So first I'll add the 2 eggs in a bowl. And then I'll add the half cup oil in the same bowl, and then I'll start blending it with the Bajaj hand beater. Now you will be able to see the bubbles on the top. Now you have to add small amount of sugar and mix it very well with the Bajaj hand blender. You can see the thickness of the batter. The more you blend, the thicker it becomes, but remember, do not over blend. We use vanilla essence to remove the smell of the egg. 1 teaspoon is enough. Now this stage is absolutely optional. If you like the flavor of the coffee, then only add it in the batter, otherwise you can skip it. Now start adding the dry mixture of the flour bit by bit into the batter. You can also add baking powder in the mixture only if you want your brownie to be cakey. Give a clean and nice folds to your batter. Here you can see the lumps on the top. Now this will go with more folds. Add the melted chocolate as per the requirement. Once you're done with this, start blending the chocolate well with the batter. Mix it in such a way so that the egg mixture shouldn't be seen. Perfect. Grease the pan with the butter. Preheat the pan in the microwave or oven. Take it out and pour the batter in the pan. Now I garnished it with some melted chocolate and scotches. Also guys, if you want to use, you can use the cocoa powder in the batter. So the garnishing is done. I'll put it in the oven on convection mode in 180°C for 20 to 25 minutes. Well, the brownie is done, so you can take a toothpick and prick it inside the brownie and see if it comes out clean. So it's almost done, it's clean. Yeah, so I'll open it. Take a knife to clean the side edges so that it comes out properly. Since I did not use the baking powder, so this is the height. Now you can take chocolates, Nutellas, chocolate cream, anything to design the brownie according to your wish. So it's done. Thank you so much guys for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe.